All right. First place in big fish. All right, first place, Mr. T. White. What's up, guys? This is Ryan Johnson with moneybass.com, and this time we're going to be heading to Carter's Lake. Got 10 guys, 10 boats. Going to be heading up on the 10th of July to see what we can do on that lake, see who's going to bring home the money. If you are a member of the Rod Benders Bass Club, active or inactive, hit me up if this is something you'd be interested in participating in, because we do have a few spots that are still open. For all the guys that are subscribers or longtime viewers of the channel, I really appreciate you supporting the channel. Be sure to stay tuned for the practice video that'll be coming up. I've never been to this lake, so I'll put together my whole process of how I go and search out areas for the lake and everything, so you can follow along with that. And also be sure to hit the like button. I wasn't able to find much information on this lake, but if you're somebody that's planning on going to fish Carter's Lake, maybe this information that I will be uploading will help you out. So make sure you subscribe if you haven't already subscribed. I will be uploading my practice video and the tournament video, of course. Make sure you leave a comment below and check out my other videos that I have on the channel. Might be something there that can help you out. See you guys on the water.
Loading up on you, they wouldn't hit. When you lift, you think you're hooked in something.
So they was biting funny?
They were biting funny.
Something was wrong with their mouth?
Something was wrong with their mouth thing.